was blind. The beauty is benign, conceptual paradox behind infected eyes, disconnected from the mind, but in line with the flow of life regardless. So of course it gives light. You don't have to be able to see to open another person's eyes and help them perceive responsibilities. It's something I don't need. I built a house, burned it down, built another one. The other pigs just laughed, called it bothersome. So tired but proud of my achievements. I found the